In this video, I want to show you how to fix on your iPhone 16e in case the 5G LTE is not working. Maybe you see SOS on the top of the corner. If you see SOS, it simply means that the phone is not able to connect to your phone carrier. So only Wi-Fi is available, but nobody can call you and you cannot have access to your data. How can you solve this issue? Well, I'll show you a few different tricks and hopefully one of them will work for you. So let's get started. The first thing you need to try when this is happening is to do a force restart. By doing this, you simply turn off the phone and it powers back on. Nothing will be deleted. So to do it, we need to do a combination of volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until you see the Apple logo appearing on your display. So let me do it with you. Volume up, volume down, and I keep press the power button. I'm not touching anything else, and I'm not touching the screen even if this is on the display. I'll stay like this until the Apple logo comes up. Then I will be able to release the button. Here we go. I released it, and now I have to wait around 1.5 minutes until the phone boots up. After it boots up, fortunately this will solve your issue and you'll be good to go. Now, if you're still having trouble with your 5G LTE network, what you can do is to go into the settings of your phone. So I'll swipe, I'll find the settings icon, tap on it, go in General, over here, go down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then select Reset. What we need to press is Reset Network Settings. This will not delete any apps, any pictures, anything of this kind. It will simply reset your 5G LTE network settings, your Wi-Fi, and your Bluetooth. These three things. So press over here. You'll have to type the password of your iPhone to confirm. Press Reset Settings. And now you just have to put your phone and don't touch it for the next 2 or 3 minutes. It will shut down, it will power on by itself, and then you'll be able to use it. Again, this doesn't delete anything, but it's a great thing to do in case you're having any issues with Wi-Fi, your 5G network, or even Bluetooth. The only downside is that you have to log in again on your Wi-Fi network and also connect your Bluetooth device again, because again these settings will be like brand new, reset it. Another thing that you can try in case you're having issues with your 5G LTE is to go into the settings and make sure that you don't have any VPN connect. So once you open the settings, you're going to go in the search bar over here and type VPN device management. And right here, I don't have any connected, but if you have a VPN connected, go ahead and disconnect yourself from it. Sometimes this is causing the problem with your 5G. And finally, the other thing that you need to check is that you're not in low power mode. So again, in the settings of your phone, let me exit here, let me open settings again, go into the search bar and tap low power, here we go, low power mode, tap on it. And make sure that low power mode is not turned on, because this will also limit, I don't know if you see over here, features like the 5G. So disconnect yourself from low power mode, and fortunately this will solve your problem. I hope my video was helpful. If it was, please take a moment, comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.